Is your Tesco mobile app refusing to load or open? Don't worry, you're not alone. This issue often stems from corrupted cache data or compatibility glitches. The quickest fix is to clear the app's cache. On iPhones, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Tesco Mobile, Offload App. This clears the cache but keeps your data. On Android, head to Settings, Apps, Tesco Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, try a force stop in the app settings. These steps resolve most common loading issues, getting you back to managing your mobile account quickly. Remember, outdated software, weak Wi-Fi or mobile data, or Tesco server issues could also be the cause. But the cache is the first thing to check. If problems persist, it might be a device-specific bug. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the problem, a full reinstall is the next step. This replaces the entire app package, eliminating any deep-rooted software conflicts. First, uninstall the Tesco mobile app from your iPhone or Android device. For Android devices, go to Settings, Apps, Tesco Mobile, Uninstall. Then, head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Tesco Mobile, and reinstall the app. Make sure you download it from the official source to avoid any security risks. After reinstalling, you'll need to log back in. Looking ahead, app development trends, including Tesco Mobile's own AI-driven error logging, are moving toward proactive self-healing features. The app is updated for cross-platform optimization and is leaning into edge computing integration to offload device data, which minimizes local issues. This means less cache buildup and more automated solutions for these common problems in the future.